Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn how to compute the greatest common divisor, or GCD, of two positive integers using JavaScript. We'll implement the Euclidean algorithm to iteratively find the GCD. This is a great example and classic one of applying loops and conditions in programming. Let's get started. The greatest common divisor is the largest number that divides both inputs exactly. For example, 2 is the largest number that divides both 2154 and 458. We'll implement this using a simple while loop in JavaScript. Let's dive into the code. We start by defining two numbers, a and b. We use a while loop that continues until a and b are equal. In each iteration, we subtract the smaller from the larger. When they match, we found the GCD. We compare a and b in each loop iteration. We subtract the smaller from the larger until they equal. The result at the end of the loop is our GCD. This iterative process is known as Euclidean algorithm. Let's walk through an example with 2154 and 458. We repeatedly subtract the smaller from the larger. Eventually, both A and B reach 2, which is the GCD. This step-by-step analysis helps visualize the process. The algorithm has practical uses in cryptography, especially in RSA key generation. It is also useful for simplifying fractions and solving modular problems. This makes it a popular interview question and a must-know for programmers. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. We wrote a JavaScript program to compute the GCD of two positive integers. Using a while loop and the Euclidean algorithm, we found the greatest common divisor. This is a classic example of how simple code can solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.